This year's Nobel Laureate Festival lecture, focusing on building a culture of supportive communities for entrepreneurs and innovators, fell on Nobel Laureate Day, Thursday, January 23, 2025. Presented by Erik Dullerud, a Swedish development engineer and a founding engineer of Modivon, a company that produces tall wind turbine towers in laminated wood. The lecture emphasized the importance of collaboration and teamwork for future youth innovators and self-starters.
It's the hard work of the people that work on it that make it happen. And the collaboration between all these people, my friends, and the different parts of society all have to pitch in, right? We wouldn't be able to do it without the universities. We wouldn't be able to do it without the other businesses that want to deliver components to us. We wouldn't be able to do it without funding. We wouldn't be able to do it without the government. So it really is a team effort, right, to make innovative endeavors successful.
Chair of the Nobel Laureate Committee, Dame Paulette Louisi, anticipates strengthening ties and relations with Sweden, the birthplace of the Nobel Prize.
I hope it is the beginning of a lasting relationship between Sweden and St. Lucia. I envisage exchange visits between Sweden and St. Lucia, particularly with the youth, so that they can get a first-hand experience of, the country that prides itself as being, the country where things happen.
Ambassador of Sweden to St. Lucia, Anders Bengtsson, gave a brief history of the Nobel Prize.
The Nobel Prize was established way back 130 years ago in 1895 by Swedish inventor, industrialist, and chemist Alfred Nobel. He had made a fortune on several of his inventions. The most famous one is dynamite. And in his will, he decided to establish the Nobel Prize. And he established several categories, 5 categories to start with. So, prize in physics, prize in chemistry, prize in medicine or physiology, prize in literature, and a prize, peace, the Nobel Peace Prize.
The 2025 Nobel Laureate Festival aims to embody the spirit of innovation that defined the island's Nobel laureates, whose groundbreaking work has significantly impacted the intellectual and cultural landscape. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.